In our previous video, we have created site and floors. Now let's create camera view. Open ground floor plan. In the Views tab, click on drop-down option of 3D view. Now click on camera. We will place camera here and face it towards building. Click again to place it. This is our camera view. We can adjust the view using these handles. We will change the view settings to realistic. We can see Revit has applied the render appearance of the objects. We can see that these walls are not going up to the roof. Select the wall and then click on Attach Top Base. Now click on Roof to attach. Similarly, repeat the steps for other walls. This way we can use camera view. Here we can see there is an opening under the ramp. We will create a wall under the ramp. Open ground floor plan and create a wall at the edge of ramp. Now open camera view. We will reduce the height of wall. If we want to remove the wall above ramp, we will click on Edit Profile. Now we will sketch lines of walls. Trim it to close the boundary and remove extra lines. After closing the boundary, finish the command. We can see that opening under the ramp has been filled with a wall. Now our camera view looks better. Now we will render our camera view. Go to Views tab and then click on Render. We have many settings here. In the quality, we can select the quality level. We will select medium quality. Now we will click on Render. This is our render view. We will save it to the project. Name it 3D view. Now close the render settings. Our render view has been added in the project browser. Now let's create a new sheet and place render image there. We can add as many images as we need. Now let's add furniture and fixtures in the plans. Go to Architecture tab and then click on Components. You can see there are some components preloaded in the project file. We will place this table here. For chairs, we will click on Load Family. Now open Furniture folder. Open Seating. Select this chair. Now place it next to table. Now select both of them and make multiple copies at a distance of 10 feet. Now we will select all of them and use Array command to make more copies. Select them and then click on Array. Now click Base Point and then Distance. Now enter 5 number of sets to be copied. Here you can see the furniture is placed. Now let's put some plumbing fixtures in the toilet area. Click on Components and then click on Load Family. Open Plumbing and then click on Architectural Fixtures. Open Water Closets. Select 3D Domestic Toilet. Press spacebar to rotate the toilet. Place it along the wall. Now we will copy this water closet in the other toilets. We can also use mirror command. This way we will add furniture and fixtures in the plans. Now we will create a plan for architectural presentation. We will create a duplicate of this ground floor plan. We will rename it as Ground Floor Plan Presentation. We will hide all the unnecessary details. Now we will change the detail level to coarse to hide cavity walls. For presenting line plans, we want to show black filled pattern in walls. Select Wall and Edit Type. Click on Coarse Scale Filled Pattern. Select Solid Black. Black solid fill has been filled in walls. Similarly, we will fill black solid fill in 9-inch and 4-inch walls. Our line plan is ready. We can change the view settings to realistic to show floor render appearance. We can insert this plan in presentations. Now we will create 3D sectional plan. We will create a duplicate of this 3D view. Rename it as 3D sectional view of ground floor. Open section box option. We will adjust the section box to view ground floor only. This is how we can see 3D sectional view of the building. Now let's change the detail level to coarse. The default wall fill pattern is blue. We can change it to black from Visibility Graphics settings. Press VG. Go to Walls. Click on Cut Pattern. We will select black color as cut pattern color. We will use this 3D sectional view in our presentation. Now we will render this view. We will save this view in the project. Name it 3D sectional view of the ground floor. Now let's insert these presentation views in the sheet. Open Drawing Sheet and then drag and drop the views. This way we can make presentation for clients. I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, we will create door window schedules, legends wall sections, and area plans. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.